How to unlock private videos on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Activity Center and then scroll down and go to Manage Post Visibility. Here, go to the Only Use section. Now select all the posts over here. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Now select Everyone. Then, tap on Update. Your selected post visibility has now been updated to everyone. Go back to your profile and you'll be able to see the videos on your feed. They will no longer be in the private videos section. Following these steps, you can easily unlock private videos on TikTok.